dad started a company, Algorithmics, and my dad added a course in Algorithmics, Robotics, Avishkar, which has like metal parts, plastic parts, IoT, which means Internet of Anything. So if you guys like enjoy robots like I do, you can join Algorithmics.
It's very fun. Also, I love controlling a remote. I like building the robots, and it helps me do with my strategy skills.
Coach Ami, thank you for this for the opportunity.
We are the parents of Chesley. We asked him to rate it from 1 to 10, and he said 10.
Yeah, and he's like, Dad, enroll me already.
Yeah.
So, okay, we'll check your schedule and we definitely will.
Okay, I've really had an amazing experience with my son, and it will really improve his fine motor skills as currently he's undergoing a therapy.
Sean is interested in designing cars, so nakita ko siya sa Facebook ads.
Yes,
so
and
we
we
want
tried.
to try yung robotics. So far, he enjoyed, and thank you kasi he won.
I wanted to design cars and make my own car brand.
Prince is really interested about robotics because they have subjects in their school. So every time na uwi siya from school, he's really excited to tell us kung ano yung nag-experience niya about their subject.
How long do you enjoy the building more or playing? I know computing is fun, but which one more?
Playing.
Of course, playing.
It's very amazing experience for him. So thank you so much, Algorithmics, for this wonderful experience.
A lot of kids will be having fun just building their robots. How about you guys? You enjoy?
We had fun building our robots, but the obstacle was hard. But building it was so easy.
Press start.